families, welcome to today's math video. Today for math, in the description box below there is a song you can listen to. You can either pause this video right now and go listen to the song, or you can watch it afterwards. It's super cute, I know you'll love it, and it's actually like a little cartoon episode, so that's nice. Today for math, your objective, your goal is I can make a yes or no graph. So we're going to work with a couple different types of graphs this week. Graphs are so fun. They're one of my favorite math topics. Math uses them, science uses them. They're used all the time. So graphs help us collect data. Can you say data? That's just a really fancy big word for information or answers to our question. So with a yes or no graph, we're asking a yes or no question. And we're going to keep track of the results, which are our answers. So this is going to be a super fun activity you can do with your family. If you have a really big family, this is super fun to do because there's a lot of answers you can collect. If your family isn't that big, you can always FaceTime or video call some friends, family friends, other family members that don't live with you and get their answers and record the results or the data. So we're also going to analyze. Can you say analyze? Good job. That's just a super big fancy word for looking at our data, looking at our answers, and deciding what it tells us. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to scooch over here. So I made a yes or no graph, and I want you to make the same one at your house, okay? And then when you're done, you can make another one for fun. So I just drew a line down the middle and these little boxes, and I put yes or no. I'm going to collect my data, collect my answers on my yes or no graph. So here I have the question. It says, do you like at-home learning? Which is what we're doing now. So as you've noticed, you haven't been to school in our classroom or your brother's or sister's classrooms in quite some time. You just do school at home now. So we're going to collect data and find out, do our family members like this at-home learning? So I asked the question, our data, our information, our answers go over here. So I color-coded mine because that made it easier for me. So I have yes in blue and no in red, and I asked a few friends, family members. Now my board is slipping all over the place. I only live with Mr. Anthony and my dog, so I didn't have a lot of people to ask inside my house, so I texted my friends, I called my friends, FaceTimed them, and got their answers. So I asked them, do you like at-home learning, yes or no? And then they gave me their answer, and I recorded it. I wrote it down on my graph. So for yes, I just put 2 X's. 2 people said they did like it. And then for no, let's go ahead and analyze. Let's look at our data and see how many people do not like at-home learning. Are you ready to count? Let's go ahead and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 people who told me no, we do not like at-home learning. And I had 2 tell me yes, we do like at-home learning. Now, a fun way you can make this project even longer is you can ask them, why did they choose that answer? You won't write it down on our graph, but you can just keep it in the back of your mind. So now let's keep analyzing, let's keep looking at our data, our answers. Which option won? Do more people like at-home learning, or do more people not like at-home learning? Which one had more votes? Good job. The people who said no, they don't like at-home learning, that won. That was our most popular answer. It got more votes. Now notice when I kept track of my votes, I made sure to stack the X's on top of each other. I'm just going to squish them right here. If you put your X's like this, you're not going to be able to tell how many people answered that answer, okay? So try and keep it really nice and neat. I am excited to see your work. Make sure to put a picture on Class Dojo, Remind, on Facebook, any way you can, and you're going to make your own yes or no graph asking your family, your friends, if they like at-home learning. You can go ahead and ask them why. Make sure to listen to the song in the description box. I miss you guys, and I'll see you soon on the next video.